superhero. You are welcome to lesson 10. Wow, it's been a long way. Hope you are ready for today's class. Yes, I know you are ready. Now, lesson 10 says, I can solve problems with addends of 7, 8, and 9. Wow, we are going wide this time. Are you ready? Now, 1, 2, and 3. Less. On my signal, say the number that is 1 less. Are you ready? So I have 3. What is 1 less? 1 less means you take away 1. So I have 3. Take away 1. What was left? 2. If you take away 1 from 3, what will be left? 2. Very good. So if I say 3, you tell me 2. That's 1 less. 8, 7. Because if you take away 1 from 8, you have 7. Very good. 10, 9, very good. 5, 4, very good. 4, 3, very good. Take away 1 from 4, will be left 3, very good. 7, 6, now we have 6. Take away 1, 5. We have 2. Take away 1, 1 will be left. 9, 8, very good. 7, 6, 3, 2, 10, take away 1, 9, 8, take away 1, 7, 6, take away 1, 5, 4, take away 1, 3, wow, I love this, 7, 6, 2, 1, 10, 9, very good. Over 8, 7, 4, 3, good. 9, 8, very good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last 6. Take away 1, 5. Clap for yourself. Wow, that was fun. Now, we are going to decompose addition sentences into 3 parts. What does 9 need to make 10? 1. 9 needs 1 to make 10. So, I have 9 plus 5. I'm breaking my 5 into 2 parts, using 1 as the first part. So, 9 plus 1 plus what will be left in the 5? That will be 4. Very good. Because 1 and 4 makes 5. You see that? So, and I have 9 plus 1 plus 4. That's my 3-part addition sentence. Now we have 9 plus 7. Right? And I took 1 from 7 to add to 9. 9 plus 1 plus, what will be left in my 7? 6. Very good. So I have my 3-part addition sentence, which is 9 plus 1 plus 6. You can see them here. 9 plus 1 plus 6. Very good. Now moving on, we have 9 plus 2. But I want to break that 2 and take 1 to one side to make 10 with 9. So what will be left in the 2 is still 1, because 1 and 1 makes 2. So I now have 9 plus 1 plus 1 as my 3-part addition sentence. Let's take one more before we move on. 9 plus 8. Yes, 9 plus 8. So if you take away 1 from 8 to add to 9, what will be left? 7. That's the 1 less. So I'll put my 7 because 1 and 7 makes 8. So now I have 9 plus 1 plus 7 as my 3-part addition sentence. Yes. Okay, so moving on to the next segment of this class. It says happy counting by threes. Yes, we want to count by threes. Now let's count by threes. Start at 0 and count to 12 and back. This time we're not counting in twos, we are counting in what? Threes. So let's start from 0. 0. You jump 2 numbers and say the order. That's 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Let's come back. 12, 9, 6, 3, and back to 0. Clap for yourself. Alright, over to application problem. Now, there were 4 booths by the classroom door, 8 booths in the hallway, and 6 booths by the teacher's desk. There were 4 booths by the classroom door, 8 booths in the hallway, and 6 booths by the teacher's desk. How many booths were there all together? So quickly, let's draw 4 booths by the classroom door. So I'll draw my 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 8 booths in the hallway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget I'm counting my 5 group way. 6, 7, and 8. And the last says 6 booths by the teacher's desk. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's solve. Don't forget we want to make 10. Now which of these will give you 10? This is 4, this is 8, and this is 6. By the partners of 10 that we know that 4 and 6 make 10. So I'll circle my 4 and my 6 to make 10. So I have my 10 plus, what's left outside? 8. So 10 plus 8 equals to what? 18, because 10, 8 is 18. Very good. So that means our original number sentence, which was 4 plus 8 plus 6 equals to dash, we change to 10 plus 8, because 4 and 6 gave me 10. So 10, 8 is what? 18. Come here and write my 18. Clap for yourself. Was that interesting? Yes, it was. Okay, now it said solve using a math drawing or number bond. Well, let's use number bond. Anyone is okay. You get the same answer. So using our number bond, we are going to make 10. I'll take out 1 because I need 1 to make 10 with 9. And what will be left from the 6? 5, because 1 and 5 make 6. So 9 and 1 make 10. 10 plus what's left? 5. 10, 5. So that means it's 15. 10 and what? 5 is 15. We know that before. So that means my 9 plus 6 gives me 15. Very good. Let's take one more. Which number bond should we make 10 with to solve more efficiently? That will be 4, because when I share my 4 into 2 and 2, right? And to make my 10 with 8, I will have my 10 too. That will be easier because 4 will give me smaller numbers to work with. But if I have 8, I will have bigger numbers to work with. So let's use the 4. So 8 and 2 make 10. And that will be 10 what? 10 2. 10 plus 2. And it gives me 12. Very good. So I have my 12. 10 2 is what? 12. Very good. Now moving on. Now, how might you solve this problem using what you already know about the make 10 strategy? Wow, I'm making 10 things. Now, use a number bond to solve and write the new addition sentence. Use a number bond to what? To solve and write the addition sentence, the new addition sentence. So let's use our number bond to solve this. Like I said before, let's use the smaller number because it will give us smaller numbers to work with. So what's smaller number here? 6. So I'll break my 6 into 3 because I need 3 and 7 to make 10. You see that? So 7 and 3, or 3 and 7 makes my 10 for me. So 10 is the new addition sentence. 10 plus what is outside? 3. Very good. 10 plus 3. And that will be what? 13 equals to 13. You can see that is my answer. So sweet and simple. Okay. Now use the make 10 strategy to solve. Draw a number bond and write the related 10 plus number sentence. That's what we have been doing. I will make my number bond under which number? The bigger or the smaller number? The smaller number, because it will give me smaller numbers to work with. So let me break apart by 4. I have 7, so that means I will put 3 here because 7 and 3 will make 10. What will be left in the 4? Just 1. You can see that. So 7 and 3 makes my what? 10. This is my new addition sentence, my 10 plus addition sentence. So 10 plus what? What's left outside? 1. That gives me what? 11. So here becomes 11. Wow, I'm enjoying this. Are you enjoying it? Yes. Okay, so let's take one last one before we go to our problem set. Now use the make 10 strategy to solve. Draw a number bond and write the related 10 plus number sentence. So the same thing, I will make my number bond under the smaller number, not the bigger number, the smaller number. How many do I need to make 10? 3, yes, because it's 7. How many will be left from the 5? 2. So 7 and 3 makes my 10 plus what is left outside? 2, and that gives me 12. So I have my 12 here. See that? It's so simple. It's so what? So simple. Alright, let's move on to our problem set for today's class. Now, solve. Use number bonds of 5 group drawings if needed. Write the equal 10 plus number sentence. So let's solve all of these quickly. We have 1, 2, 3. Are you ready? Now, I will share my 4 because it is a smaller number into what? 1 and 3. 9 and 1 make 10. 10 and what? 3, that's 13. That's what? 13. Very good. So 10, what's 13? 10, 3 to give me my 13. You can see it's so simple. Number 2 is 6 plus 8. I'll put my number bond under the smaller number because to give me smaller numbers to work with. So I have what? 2 and 4. You see that? So 8 and 2 makes 10. 10 what? 10 4. So 10 plus 4 equal to 14. I'll write my 14 here. And the last 7 plus 4 equals to dash. I'll put my number bond under 4 as usual because it is a smaller number. So I will need 3 to make 10 with 7. What will be left from my 4? 1. So that gives us 10, 1 equals to 11. So my answer here becomes 11. So sweet and simple. Did you understand that? Yes. Alright, so that's going to be all for today's class. I'll see you in our next class. Take care of yourself. Bye.